For the popcorn muna, ang mga versions. O, diba? Shala ang mineral water ng IKEA. Okay, so we're now inside the IKEA. Ayan, going up sa escalator and still popcorn. So, welcome po sa aming bahay. Ayan, going inside our house. Wow, so nice. Look at the dining area. So beautiful. Oh, ano Kaira? Ano yan? Sige nga, i-tour mo kami sa ating house. Yes, Tio. Oh, sitting in the couch. Oh, there's Panda. Hello.
Wow, nice house, guys.
I love the design.
Nice, diba?
1,000 yung ulam.
Nice, ah.
Okay, next naman sa ating closet. Wow! This is so nice. Wow, ang ganda naman ng drawer ni Madam Kaira. Oh, gusto daw niya yun, di ba? Welcome naman sa ating bathroom. Wow! Dalawa pa ang sink. Ano bang tawag dyan? Double sink. Oh, di ba? Oh, dito naman tayo sa ating garden. Going to our kitchen. Oh, may nakuha agad. And ayan si Kaira. Horsey. Pretending to be Zoe.
What's up, party people? So today we're in IKEA, and then we're here. This is a dream house. This is a cool house. Let's walk it. Oh my gosh. Just like that, it's so modern. I mean, look at this lamp. And then, oh my gosh, check this house. There. And then all of it is stickers. And then a little play area. And then you can draw there. That is so cool. And then there's a little cabinet. Oh my gosh. So, and there's a little tablet there. It's just this one. It is not ours because we're in IKEA's showroom in Manila. And then this is the door, and then this is where the shoes are. And then this is the and all of that is just display. Okay, so we're headed to the next room. Walking. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're already done with that one. This one. Look at this one. Have a little outside couch. And then this. Oh my gosh. This is so fluffy. And then here's the kitty area. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. This one too. And then look at this. Wow, look at this. Wow, is this the city? Bro. And then here it's fake. Oh my gosh. It is just so nice. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. This is a preppy softie. Here. This house is just for softies. I mean, keys, face masks. Look at this. Wow.
Good, right?
Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at this for the baby. Yeah. For Zoe. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Check this. Look at this cool bed. Oh my gosh. I want to lay down. And, and you have your breakfast here. And then you put your baby here. Oh my gosh. And you change your baby's diaper here. The bathroom. Oh my gosh, it's just all so good. I love it here in IKEA. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is the couch, the TV, and then there's a laptop and a table. And then these are the laundry baskets, and the washing machine, toilet, and the sink. Oh my gosh, this is just too nice. I mean, look at this. The baby can sit here and eat. Oh my gosh, look at this. Let's try. So here it is. Wow, this is nice. There we go. It's very nice. I like it. It's very nice.
Oh no, I
Put it back. And then it's good. I mean, look at this. There's a little baby there. This is so ugly.
basketball.
I mean, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at the bunk bed. Oh my gosh. I love it here. It's a great house. And then this is where you can go out. It just IKEA is so good. Maganda, I want it. It's a good child too.
Take a picture there.
Oh, huh? I just love it. I love it. This is my dream house. Maybe we can go to this house next. No, it's done.
Oh, which
Yeah. I think that's all the displays. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Mommy, this is my dream house for sure. Oh my gosh, look at this display house. It is so good for one person. Look at the couch. And then we're gonna have this, a little tablet area. Moving on. Oh my gosh, look at all the couches. It's all you need.
你自行给钱就行了。
Okay. Yeah. There are just so much. I mean, look at this. Oh my. Ah! So good. I'm gonna explore more couches. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a pole. It's a pole. That is so OP. And look at, oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that couch. Look at that couch. That couch is so smegsy. Such a good display for a house. Wow.
Dito na lang tayo sa dulo na.
Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is such a good table. By the way, I got a boo-boo there. Oh my gosh, my voice is very low because there is so much people. So I'm gonna be adding, captions. Oh my gosh! Yes! But it's 2,000! 2,000!
Gaming chair nila.
Yes, our gaming chair. This is so good.
Hi, boss. Ako na.
Hi guys. So, look at this. Wow, 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 wowzy. Look, there's a little laptop area. That area. There's a little dining area for two. I'm just so shocked. There are so much beautiful things here in IKEA. I love it here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. Do you see this? Oh my gosh. Like, fluffy chair. Panda, 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 panda. Let's hug the panda. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
No, na.
It is so cute.
Ito naman hindi ganun ka-open eh.
It is so cute. The lamp, the TV, the doggy. Hello. And then this is a book area. And then this is the pictures. Okay. I love it here. The kitchen. I'm gonna take a picture. Okay, wait. Let's take a picture. Wait, get out, Theo. Get out. Oh my gosh, look at this. And draw there. The dining table. I am obsessed with the dining table. And the chairs. Oh my gosh, look at these chairs. And oh my god. Like, what is happening to the world? It is so... Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look at this blackboard. This weekend, oil change, clean, bathroom, vacuum, plant flowers, Sunday picnic, yogurt plus fruits. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Do you even see this? I love it. It's just like I am dreaming. I don't understand. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this cute alligator. Quack. Ayun no. So my mommy can find my brother's water when it's just at a random table that is very, very near. And wow, I just general light, functional light, mood light. That is so good. Look at this. Look at this glowing arrow. What? Oops. Whoop. Sorry. Whoop. Mommy, look at the glowing arrow. So nice. Oh, look at this. This is so good. There's a little bike place there, a couch, and then there, a there, fixing table, and the kitchen. Wow. I just love it here. I'm getting left behind. Oh my gosh, look at the couch. So nice. The TV and everything. I am so happy. I am so happy I saw all this. It's so cute. Like, how? Sorry, I showed my mouth. Look at the TV area. So cute. Oh my gosh, let's follow the footprints. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna laptop here in my chair. Just so good. Oh my gosh, there! I just can't believe all this. Wow. It's just this kape tayo. Wow, a cafe. Look at this cafe. Mommy, look. This is the. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Look at the little counter area. Oh my gosh. Do you see this? I love it. Can't believe it. Office area, office. Wow, another office area. This is the office area. Oh my gosh, you need to see this. Gaming area. Oh my gosh. Sorry if the camera is messy. Just see this. Oh my gosh. Look at all these chairs. They are so beautiful. Wanna say hi? Oh my gosh. I can't let you not see this. Look at all this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Mommy, would you have this? Right, you would have it because it's yellow and her favorite color is yellow. Okay, so oh my god. Look at these! Oh my gosh, the chairs. Okay, so oh my god. I love it. Oh my god. So cute. Tissue. sorry. IKEA is great.
IKEA is great.
IKEA is great. You should come to. Okay, so we're leaving IKEA and I'm really sad. We're going ahead and leaving IKEA. Oh my gosh. We're leaving IKEA. Because my brother is hungry. And yeah. So, I don't know what to do. and I'll meet you there in the restaurant. Bye!